Hello friends, do you know what is processed sugar and whether it is good for health or not? I am K. Purushottam presenting my second year engineering from SVCE Bangalore. Today let us explore health issues related to processed sugar. While sugar can be enjoyed in small amounts, consuming excess amount of refined sugar over time take a toll on your body. Before exploring how processed sugar impacts health, let us first discuss some key difference between natural sugar and processed sugar. In natural sugar, carbohydrates that breaks to give glucose which in turn gives energy naturally. Sugar occurs naturally in fruits, dairy products, etc. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables gives us more nutrients, fibers, etc., and also keeps us reduced the risk of diseases. On other hand, refined or processed sugar is exhibited from sugarcane, is extracted from sugarcane or sugar beets, which is rich in sucrose. It is obtained when raw sugar is refined and purified, resulting in white crystalline sugar, which we commonly used in food and beverages. Also added to many foods like sodas, sauces, to increase the taste and extend its shelf life. The main role of sugar in the form of glucose is to give us energy. It gives us energy to the cells and helps our body to function and do activities. When glucose level goes high in our blood, it regulated by hormone insulin. It makes our cell to use glucose for energy and other purposes. Thus, controls or maintains the natural or normal level of glucose in our blood. Do you know that our brain cells use glucose continuously and thus uses excess amount to provide support to our body function properly? As insulin maintains sugar level in our body, if it is processed in less amount, it increases the blood glucose levels and thus the risk to our health. Di- dies high in processed sugar can increase the risk of diabetes, obesity, heart diseases, cancer, and body normal functions will be affected. Processed sugar contains high calories, so if we consume more of such added sugar in our foods and drinks, it might lead to weight gain and obesity. If sugar level in our blood increase very high, it may lead to insulin resistant diabetes type 2, which is not cured even with insulin. Just to satisfy our taste buds, we forget about the potential risk of high sugar diet. Excess refined sugar leads to more calories and thus can make us overweight and may develop obesity, which if not controlled leads to diabetes. Type 2 condition, a severe condition in adults, which is severe conditions leads to even death. Other com- complication includes heart diseases because high processed sugar intake is linked to high cholesterol, high BP, and high risk to heart. Also, it builds more fat in our liver and increases the risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver. There are several alternatives available in the market to processed food like natural sweetness, fruit-based sweet, and sugar-free substances, etc., which contains low calories, no sugar, thus reduces our intake of added sugars. What comes to processed sugar, moderation is essential because we know excess intake has several risks and we can't avoid it completely. So, also from diet as it is important for our energy and also for our cells to function. The key to find the balanced approach, enjoying sugar tastes in moderation. Here we can here are some tips to reduce sugar intake. While purchasing, check nutrition labels. Select food containing low sugar if possible. Go for fresh fruits and vegetables. Try honey, maple syrup, etc. in food instead of refined sugar. When you start reading nat- when you start reading nutrition labels, you will understand which food has more added sugar and you can avoid purchasing of such foods. In this way, you can control intake of excess sugar. Thus, I would like to conclude my talk by saying one thing. Friends, none of us wants to live a life with risks, diseases, stress, etc. So why don't we practice healthy eating when it is possible? So think before eating food or drinks containing processed sugar, as it may increase health risks. Adopt a healthy lifestyle, keep your organs fit and healthy and enjoy the life. Thank you for watching my session.